video. Today we are making Mint Choc Chip ice creams for my mummy. My favourite. For our ingredients today we'll need double cream, sweet condensed milk, choc chips, vanilla extract, mint extract. We are cutting this open. Oh, we opened it. Ooh. Ooh. Make sure an adult helps it because it can be sharp.
Nice.
Vanilla extract. I really want to taste it. It's so yummy. Yum yum. Mint peppermint extract.
There you go.
I really want to taste it. I can't even taste anything. These are chocolate chips. And 4 of them. And sprinkle them. I'm going to try to.
Now, I'm going to put this down.
Wow, those are all the ingredients.
That's all the ingredients.
Is it going to be noisy?
It is going to be noisy.
Now we're going to switch the whisk on. It's going to be really noisy, so put your ears on. Yum. Now get a spoon. My mummy got a spoon. So now she's stirring all up the mixture together. Cover it in cling wrap.
Cling film.
Cling film. Clean film. Ba 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 ba.
Oh. There we go. Good. Sorry.
Everyone, you have to put this over it.
So that it freezes nicely.
I really want to see. Now pop it in the freezer. It's been a few hours. We're gonna check it. Oh, Mommy, it's gone. It's actually gone. I think it's ready. It's ready. Yum yum. Then I put sprinkles. A mountain of sprinkles. yum, yum, ice cream. That was good fun making